रख इंसान, ये मेरा अपना शेर है। माहौल को साफ रख इंसान, माहौल तो तुम्हारा साथी है, माहौल तुम्हारा इस दुनिया में जन्नत का नियम और बदल है। बल्कि प्रिंसिपल August gathering, veteran faculty members and सबसे बढ़कर सबसे मुकर्रम my dear students. Today it is our privilege that Government Higher Secondary Institute Sopor is going to celebrate World Environmental Day 2025. The theme for this year is ending plastic pollution globally. What is the theme? Ending plastic pollution globally. This is the theme of the year. The UN celebrates World Environmental Day annually on 5th June. The day influences worldwide awareness and action plan for the protection of the environment. The day underscores the importance of urgent action to have biodiversity loss, reduce greenhouse gas GHG emissions, air pollution, and plastic waste, and restore the environment. We have to restore the environment to its originality, to its beginning, जहाँ से हमने किया था. When man was supposed to be nomad, no vehicles, no aeroplanes. Only he used to go by foot or by camel, etc. That way. This is a restoration of the environment, pollution-free environment. The UN Environment Program, that is UNEP, organizes events for World Environment Day. Typically, celebration in over 100 countries is the largest platform for environmental public outreach. What are the issues? Biodiversity, conservation, climatic change, forests and REDD. This is the term related to this. And REDD, that is reducing emission from deforestation and forest degradation. Land, oceans and coastal sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is that we should preserve something for the rainy days. आज हम बचाते हैं कि हमें बरसात में चाहिए, हमें जिसका मन बोलते हैं कश्मीरी में, उसके लिए हम कुछ सब्जियां रखते हैं, तरकारियां रखते हैं, बचा के रखते हैं. That is sustainable development for our incoming generation. Sustainable development, stakeholder participation, water and sanitation. The theme for 2025 WED, World Environmental Day. The official theme of WED 2025 is Beat Plastic Pollution. What is the theme? Beat Plastic Pollution. The campaign aims at raise global awareness about the harmful impacts of plastic waste on ecosystems, wildlife and human health. The plastic pollution has become a planetary crisis. This very which are being celebrated over here. The plastic pollution has become a planetary crisis with microplastic is now found in the deepest ocean. In the deepest ocean, remote mountain peaks, वहाँ भी आप छोड़ते हैं, remote वहाँ भी प्लास्टिक हुआ करता है. And even inside the human body, हमारे अंदर तक ये जा पहुँचा है प्लास्टिक बॉडी को. The World Environment Day 2025 calls for collective action to tackle plastic pollution. A joint action to tackle the plastic pollution by drawing inspiration from nature and showcasing real-world emission solutions. The campaign will encourage individuals, organizations, industry, and governments to adopt sustainable systematic change. Call for action. We plastic pollution movement because together we can create a healthy future. Have a nice day. Vasudevaya and